She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl, she's my type of girl in my kind of world.
Hello my people.
Welcome back.
Welcome to the island family, guys.
You know the vibes.
So today, guys, we're going down to Boston Beach.
Yeah,
the first time since we arrived. We're actually going down there to see gwaan.
True, guys. Yeah. It's been a while since we've been here.
Gwaan.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, yeah, come and join us. You know, it's going to be a vibe like it always is, and you know, you get to see parts of Boston.
Yeah, man.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. I just hope we can swim today. That's what we're really hoping for, because it's a bit windy.
Oh, and the weather's been really bad too.
Yeah, it's been really bad. But today seems like it's a kind of good day. So let's see. Let's see, guys. So yeah, fingers crossed for us. Yes, so we have to go get in a taxi, isn't me? One to drop us in the town of Port Antonio. Then from there we take one cab to Boston Beach. So let's go now.
Let's go now.
We're on the road.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stand firm. In a this I get the yan. Stand firm. Never sell out for vanity. Stand firm. Get a youths watch the moves in Merlick. Got the evil is near. Them coming for your share. So stand firm. In a this I get the yan. Stand firm. Never sell out for vanity. Stand firm. Get a youths watch the moves in Merlick. Got the evil is near. Them coming for your share.
No listen to the Eden, them a chat. You know see them a fool, them a real dopey bad. Them sit down for your name, every day them plan up, them a plot. Yes, them dig them hole, them set them trap. And I open up press, I in the you got drop. But them never know say Jaja of your back. Now them a talk, doesn't allow them make them chat. Cause when the lightning strike and the thunder hit the clap, you know fi ask.
Stand firm. In a this I get the yan. Stand firm, never sell out for vanity. Stand firm, get a youths watch the moves in Merlick. Got the evil is near, them coming for your share. So stand firm, in a this I get the yan. Stand firm, never sell out for vanity. Stand firm.
It's melon. Did you see that, guys? Watermelon. Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Some people ignorant as well.
I'm not filming them, I'm filming the place. Jesus. For the vlog.
How far you guys
babe.
Just right
In the town.
Now go on up to Seaside.
We are going 80, so just right around the corner. Yeah.
side?
Wait, it's a river.
I don't know, I'm just saying river, whatever.
We're in a port town, guys.
Alright, yeah.
Right at the bus. Well, the taxi stand basically.
Yeah, that's
close
what
to
we're
them
doing.
take bus to Kingston. Right now the little area there, isn't it? So yeah, we're planning to go to Boston and things. So we're trying to get a taxi and all. So that I pray, guys. Yeah, just waiting.
Yeah, whatever he just said, guys, I agree. Trouble. Anyways, yeah, so we're just chilling here, wetting. So we're just gonna do a little video around, see what everyone up to. You never know, we can catch something on camera that not need to be on camera.
And that guy tried to chase you off a while ago.
Oh yeah, guys, talking about just sitting in the cab, you know, just filming around the streets, and I don't know if the camera actually caught what he said, but he actually swore at me and told me to put the camera away. I'm like, well, I was so close, guys, to like literally just sticking my finger up because I wasn't even filming him. Who wants to film him? Yeah, we're just filming the street. We're not filming him. It's not like I got the camera right in his face going, hey, what gwaan? Yeah, man, you know, come on. Anyways, I feel a type of way about these things, guys, because we're not doing anything wrong. We're not murdering anyone.
They won't back that people do it, they don't have a problem. But you know. Yeah,
apparently, yeah. That's why I said to Bay, maybe you should film, because you know, maybe we won't get yelled at.
Yeah.
So that's the sea behind me, guys. Oh, this pretty sea. Hey, island. An island is quiet as anything. Just chilling. That's what it's doing. Yeah, guys, and there's this guy here selling donuts. They're everywhere. I've never tried the donuts. Has anybody ever tried the donuts? Tell me if they're nice, guys. What do you think? Are they fresh? I don't know. Are they fresh? Have you tried them before?
Them nice, man. Them nice. I can't compare because of them I used to, so but them nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like Krispy Kremes?
Nice.
Everyone would know Krispy Kremes. Oh, this lady's going to Boston. Maybe we should get her. Yeah. Guys, just a quick question. Does anybody get like excited or happy when they see two people cheersing and having a beer? I do. I enjoy that. Like it's like an enjoyment, a fulfillment. Babe's looking at me like I'm a weirdo. Well, he didn't look at me like a weirdo. He was just like, really? I'm like, yeah, I really enjoy it. It makes me feel like I want to do it too, because these two guys sitting next to us have 2 beers and they were like, oh, you know, cheersing or whatever, and I'm like, oh, I'd like one too. I think I'm gonna go buy myself a beer, a cold one. Babe hates a town, guys. He's not a town person.
No change. I mean, I told
He looks drained.
Yeah, just yeah.
Looks like he's been doing the deed all night, guys. But he hasn't. It just his mood changes. His mood changes. But me and Island, we're happy beings. We don't care where we are, whether we're just happy. But I kind of understand, because like if I was in Australia and I was in like Sydney, like big city, I'd probably get shitty too, like waiting for trains, waiting for buses, waiting for taxi. Oh, taxis is everywhere, but here it's different because there's certain routes that people go. You've got to, yeah, find out. It's a difference. Yeah, I think Argentina has the same. I think they have like certain routes that taxi drivers go. Yeah.
Alright guys, so we walk along this strip here. Yeah. Hello Bobo. Mr. Bobo. And here just a blew us up. Hey boy. What happened? Island boy. Look guys. Everybody there hang out. Island boy. You look like a little model. Look at you. His ears blowing like, you know those models when they have the fan on them? Yeah, that's why his ears just blowing with the wind like he's doing a video shoot or a photo shoot or some one of those things. Yeah guys, so we just we cancel, we made a cancel guys. We're not about to go to Boston Beach because can't get a taxi now. So we all laugh about.
No, because babe can't handle
No,
the jandle, guys. He can't handle the jandle.
But I come to move with that.
Yeah.
So
He hates the town, so we're gonna get food
yeah.
and go home.
Yeah, so change your plan guys. We're not about to go. Probably not go yet, but we are gonna make it up, so we are gonna go back to Boston again. You see me? So yeah, we have Piggy's center here. So we're gonna go over here guys. So let's go. Babes, can I take one of them bike here? Yeah, me take one and you take one? Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah. So that's what's up. Yeah man, all eyes on us, swear. Babes, you became this big star, huh? Alright, so here now.
Just shut it, daddy. Just shut it.
Sir. Hello. Can I get 2 breast quarter? 2 breast quarter? Yeah. Trouble get there.
Can I get Pepsi? Babe, do you want Crown water or Pepsi?
Done one.
And Crown water, please. Just put them in there. It's up. You want sauce in it? Sauce?
Yeah, ketchup.
Ketchup?
It's the jerk chicken, guys.
Yeah, so $50.
All that ketchup. Yeah, put pepper on here.
I'm gonna try actually. I'm gonna
And then
see.
later you ball.
Yeah, you reckon?
Yeah.
Ha! That's what he thinks. Guys, that's what he thinks.
Spice, liquor.
Yeah.
Ball out.
You reckon?
Yeah.
That's true.
That's true.
Alright.
Hey, boo.
Okay, babies. Let's go, baby boys.
Good. Alright.
Oh, Boston Beach was so good, guys.
Really? That's so real.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
It was so refreshing.
Sure.
Good?
Yeah.
You want me to hold him?
Huh?
You can hold him.
Yeah. You.
Oh, yeah, I can hold him.
No. Yeah, trouble, you know. Alright. You hold him and I hold the phone.
Jesus!
What?
Really?
What?
Alright, lazy boy. There you go. Give me island.
Food is much of it.
No, it's not. You're full of it. Ah.
Food is much of it.
Who's his? Island, you hold the camera so no one can say anything to you. I said Island can hold the camera so no one can say anything to him.
Go around the pool up on.
Somebody else. Hi. Yeah.
Because I was like, who's this person? No, Marianne don't know me.
What?
Oh, crew.
What was that? What was that, babe?
No, I was just saying, like, who's that person who Marianne don't
It's
know?
my girlfriend.
Yeah, I wonder.
It's my girlfriend.
Catch up, don't worry, we catch up,
Huh?
Don't worry,
You're on camera, sir.
You know what I go.
You're on camera. You're going to tell me off for putting you on camera? Huh?
No matter.
Yeah, guys. I just saw my hairdresser. See that?
Yeah?
Yeah, I might go get my hair done again. Not! I was in a lot of pain. Something you would never know. Yes, if you would. Hang on, the sound, babe. Put his hand on.
Yeah, guys, so this is William Street, you know? The little vibes are part of Port Antonio and I told, huh? Yeah. Alright, go over that side.
Apple. Yeah.
How much about the apple? Well, apple. Apple, 100.
100 for one, yeah, I get two. Thank you.
So just get some apple, guys. Fresh Jamaican apple. Yeah. Cost too much money. Wait, island. Everyone's getting scared now. Walk here, babe.
I need to get my bag re-sewed. That's why I didn't want to put anything in it, anything heavy in it. Because my bag's about to snap. Your side.
And the dedication committee hearing will be held at the Port Antonio Baptist Church, 14E Baptist Avenue, Port Antonio, Portland.